We welcome a trailblazer whose work has shaped the very foundation of women entrepreneurship in India and across the globe.
Dr. Hina Shah is the founder and chairperson of the International Center for Entrepreneurship and Career Development in Ahmedabad, as well as the visionary behind Satyameva Jayate International School and Hina's Art Pavilion. For over 38 years, she has devoted herself to nurturing women entrepreneurs, creating over 2 lakh enterprises, impacting more than a million families, and training over 5,500 faculty and trainers across India, Asia, Africa, and Caribbean. Her pioneering efforts in rehabilitation, education, and economic development has transformed lives in over 200 villages, and her women entrepreneurship model has been replicated in 65 countries. She's been honored with the Stree Shakti Puraskar by the President of India and several global recognitions for her unmatched contribution to social and economic empowerment. Please join us in welcoming the powerhouse of purpose and progress, Dr. Hina Shah.
I have broken my leg, so I would not be able to stand. But I'll take the privilege to sit. I don't know whether I'll be able to meet eyes with my last ventures. Shall we? We'll work it out. Gujarat Employees Organization. I never thought that you'd talk about women. I never thought that employment organizations are ever thinking about women. Congratulations to you, sir. I'm so impressed. Everybody was asking me, "Aaj kahan ja rahe ho?" Employment today? Are you addressing men? I said, no, I'm addressing women. So this is the beginning of change, what ma'am was talking about. I'm going to talk about women in business. The way Vandana ji talked about women in army, women in business. Fortunately, you are not to be poor, only are majority. But even I asked my women to close the eyes and say, "Socho kaun hai successful entrepreneur?" Anybody? हाँ, धीरूभाई अंबानी है, उनके बेटे हैं, मुकेश अंबानी है, अंबानी ज़ादे, अडानी ज़ादे, और अडानी ज़ादे. And we will see that hardly we find any woman in our vision to see as an entrepreneur. Many women are saying yes, many participants are saying yes. Yes, it is even today. It is like this. Nevertheless, I would like to share something very, very important at this point of time. That women, though we are celebrating 8th of March, Women's Day, this day, that day, but let me tell you, to share some very, very important statistics with you. And therefore I am with the papers. Don't worry, I'm going to talk about my story. Story doesn't come in the paper. But, very interestingly, LinkedIn has done a research. You know LinkedIn, because you're all from corporate world, so I thought I'd share with you. And it says that 100 million people's research was done. And it was found out that women are still women. Yes, and there is nothing wrong with it. It's great to be a woman, it's great to be a wife, and it is greatest to be a mother. So that is the way women are. I'm not worried about the word Shakti, किसी ने बोला ये तो बेकार है, किसी ने बोला ये. It doesn't matter to me. It matters to me what I think. what I think of myself, not what others thinking about it. However, I would like to share with you a few words here that company's data show that despite progress, now I would like all my women to think here, all my participants to think here. It says that despite of progress, women still face obstacles in reaching leadership roles due to bias, social norms. बच्चे को कौन रखेगा, मदर इन लॉ ने मना कर दिया, सब बोलेंगे अरे तेरे बच्चे को तू छोड़ के जा रही है, मेरा बच्चा रोता था तो कहते थे रोएगा ना, पूरे दिन बाहर रहेगी तो क्या करेगा बच्चा. So, due to bias, societal norms and structural barriers. I'm sure whether you agree or not, but we still suffer from the same structural situation. One of the days I went for a wedding of a girl, and she said, Auntie, I'm very lucky, they are allowing me to work. What they to allow you to work? So we are still facing those structural bias, but we are waiting for 8th March again, coming in a few years, like ma'am said, about one generation, maybe two generations. And it's not that we want women to become bigger than men, no. We want women to have the equal opportunities, experience the equal feeling of being able to do. Being able to do is a great empowering thought process. Interestingly, they have given some data which says industries such as education, where 30% women are heading, they are the leaders. Government administration, about 29%, they are the highest representatives in the government. Majority of them are in administrative, support service, hospitals, 23%, sectors like technology, information, media, etc., about 19%. And I would not like to share anything else, but when I'm going to talk about entrepreneurship, that is micro, small, and medium enterprises. Are you understanding what is micro, what is medium, and what is large enterprises? Micro यानी ऐसा नहीं 30 लाख से ज़्यादा 30 लाख से कम पैसे इन्वेस्ट करोगे वो माइक्रो एंटरप्राइज है. 3 करोड़ से ज़्यादा कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट है यानी मशीनरीज है तो वो स्मॉल एंटरप्राइज है. उससे ज़्यादा है, उससे ज़्यादा 10 करोड़ 15 करोड़ मीडियम में जाता है, एंड देन द लार्ज इंडस्ट्री और कॉर्पोरेट सब्सिडी है. In MSME, we have got women who are only 12%. I would just like to share my last ventures who are struggling to see the stage. Just for a while I'll stand. I'd like to tell you that don't worry, in India, if we have got 20% of women in industries, 30% rural women in business, we are largest in the world because of our population. Including China. China has got 11%. This year they have announced 12%. Every Asian countries have got between 12 to 14% women in industries, in MSME. In Europe, it's only 7%, 6%. They are all working, but they are not in entrepreneurship. Now, this business situation makes a woman empowered. We were just talking about empowered, some questions were arising. Now, women are empowered. Women are empowered at home. अगर हस्बैंड नहीं है तो कहेंगे देखो डिब्बे में देख ना वहीं चाय पड़ी कहाँ है अरे भाई वहीं है 103 फीवर होगा तो भी a woman is empowered to handle the house. So empowerment क्या है? We are going to separate out, assess yourself, how you would like to separate out yourself. Assess. I'm going to talk about women in economic empowerment, women in social empowerment, women in political empowerment, and so on. So if I talk about women in economic empowerment, we have the largest force of labor is women in our country. And that's not a great thing to have. Very few number of women in corporates. That's a great thing to happen today because next generation will see something else. But how are we going to change that? How are we going to change this situation? I would just like to share with you, as they said, I'm working for women in this country. I was the first person to begin women entrepreneurship, education and training with a funding coming from Ford Foundation, America to our Gujarat government. And when I went to bank, I said I'm going to talk about traditional nahi, non-traditional industrial activity. They said, matlab? I said, matlab, they will be in electronics, engineering, rubber, plastics, everywhere. Achha? ऐसा नहीं होता है. Because the study was carried out by Government of India and it has found there were 3 types of women entrepreneurs. One was inherited entrepreneurs. Father गुजर गए, husband गुजर गए, उन्होंने business किया. दूसरे accidental entrepreneur, कलकत्ता चले गए, कलकत्ता की साड़ी लेके आ गए और यहाँ बेचना शुरू कर दिया. गुजरात चले गए, वहाँ से चनिया चोली लेके बिहार में बेचना शुरू कर दिया. And so on. Accidental entrepreneurs. Accidental entrepreneurs have hardly any sustainable situation. I am talking about the sustainable part of it. Now, third comes created entrepreneurs. Created means बनाए हुए entrepreneurs. बनाए हुए entrepreneur means तैयार किए हुए entrepreneurs. And tell me who are the entrepreneurs? Who are the entrepreneurs? Entrepreneurs, those who invest money, those who run business, take decision. The way Vandana ma'am was talking about without anybody's supervision, guidance, support. Entrepreneur is an animal who takes decision on her own. I will not say his own. Due respect to gentlemen sitting here. But all the women who become entrepreneurs, they take their own decision. Decisions of कितना बेचना है, कितना खरीदना है, कितने में बेचना है, पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, कितना इन्वेस्ट करना है, and they walk towards growth. So that was the first program when the government of Gujarat invited me to conduct the program. I conducted the program. 25 women had been trained, educated for 3 months. दोपहर में 3 घंटे सिर्फ दोपहर की नींद नहीं दे रही थी, रात की नींद की छूट थी. But when they become entrepreneur, they lost the रात की नींद also. Because they really wanted to earn. They had seen the dream. They thought that I can do it. They saw themselves as a new person, new individual. And that is what is women into entrepreneurship. Once they become entrepreneurs, there is no looking back. But then 16 women started the business in the area of making ohm meters, multimeters, armature makings, miniature motor makings, miniature bulb making, latex rubber thread, वो जो elastic होती है उसके अंदर जो rubber का thread होता है, वो बनाना, stamping ink बनाना, and so on. And mine were, all the women were not technical people. 9th standard pass, 12th standard pass, graduate. आती थी मैं तो हाउसवाइफ हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? Why I housewife has to say that? मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं housewife. That is our conditioning, that is our cultural conditioning, that is our societal conditioning. I don't want to get into that. But how do you break? No, it doesn't break. Society doesn't break. Culture doesn't break. You have to break away and make your way out. And that is what I started teaching. The program became such a big success that it was noted by United Nations Science and Technology Ministry, Industries Ministry and research. Women in armature, women in miniature motor, women in home meter. अरे वाह! And मेरे को तो वाह वाह होने लगी. I attended one meeting in Pakistan, in Sri Lanka. I was invited to Sri Lanka to open Women's Chamber of Commerce. They said, if a woman will open a Women's Chamber of Commerce, Sri Lanka will always have that chamber. You will go. That I went there in '86, and even today the Chamber of Commerce has grown into a big building like this. So Women's Chamber of Commerce is a very interesting thing. I was invited by, I should not say this, but batana to padega. I was invited by Ziaul Haq, President of Pakistan, as a state guest. We had the business relations. हमारे chamber के लोग जाते थे, आते थे, and I was invited. When I went there, and I said, Madam Shah, I want to tell you one thing. हमारे देश में गड्ढे खोदने के लिए भी हमें अमेरिका से बुलाते हैं. But when we talk about women's development, we look at India, and therefore we are calling you. That was my experience. That is when I realized, हमको चाहे कोई कुछ भी बोले, poor country बोले, ये बोलो, वो बोलो, nothing, we are all really capable. And whether they like it or not, internally they look very high upon us. So don't forget that. ये छोटी मोटी साल बहू की छिड़कन छट्टी की देर. But that was the beginning of it, and thereafter my model was accepted by United Nations, World Bank, Commonwealth Secretariat, CEDA, that is Canadian International High Commission, and so on. And I started working for 70 countries in Asia, Africa, Pacific countries. I'm very proud to say they have taken Indian women entrepreneurship model to be developed as entrepreneur. Why? Because my model says you don't have to stop being a mother and wife. You don't have to feel guilty about anything yet. Guilty feel रही है? करो. It's okay. यार तू स्कूल में जाता है तो मैं भी जाऊँ. 6 घंटे मेरा बच्चा स्कूल चला जाता है. Bye, mommy. I'm going. तुम्हारा टिफिन भरो, तुम्हारा सब करो, मैं भी तो कहीं जाऊँ. I tell my child, नंदना जी, मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ, तुम फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में सेकंड में जाओगे, सेकंड से थर्ड में जाओगे, मैं नहीं जाऊँगी तो मैं तो क्यों नहीं जाऊँगी. तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा, तुम्हारी मम्मी ऐसी ही बैठी रहे. तो my child always says, जाओ मम्मी, आज दरड़ा में अहमदाबाद में बहुत बारिश हो रही थी. जब आपने फोन किया तब नहीं, लेकिन उससे पहले my daughter said, again? I said, yes. Sure? बहुत बारिश होगी तो? बाहर. So that's the way life is, you know. What I want to tell you that it is great to be a woman, and it is great to be a woman performer. Empower. Now let's talk about what is empowerment. I would like to share my story. So far, I would just like to say, I must have trained more than 1 million women, maybe 500,000 in Gujarat, all over the country, and all over the world, maybe 10 million, because developed large number of organizations, work with government, Indonesian government, Papana से काम किया, planning commission का काम किया, कैसे women को entrepreneurship की तरफ ले जाया जाए. ब्रुनेई दारुसलाम हमारे दुनिया का सबसे पैसे वाला देश, उनको प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा था कि हमारे बच्चे तो पिज़्ज़ा खा रहे हैं and 51% पार्टनरशिप करके expatriates के साथ जी रहे हैं. हम क्या करें? So I had to design the youth development programs for them कि भाई 100 साल के बाद अपना ऑयल खत्म हो जाएगा तो हमारे बच्चे क्या करेंगे. So I had a good opportunity to work on that. It's a long story, and by that time I came back to India. When I started working for Indian government said ये खाली urban नहीं चलेगा. So I worked for rural entrepreneurs. I have been working at today we are working with 36 villages, but I have worked in 1200 villages. And government of Gujarat has got money given to the widows of Gujarat. We have 90,000 widows in our state. 90,000. हर वुमन को 500 रुपया मिलता है और उनसे उनको घर चला. I had a talk with Anandiben, I had a talk with मोदी जी ने कहा ऐसा बकवास नहीं करो. 500 रुपया क्या दे रहे हो? देना है तो ठीक से दो. 500 रुपया में क्या? वो जब लेने जाती कहता आज तो सैड न थी, काले आओ जो. बेचारी चली जाती. दोबारा जाती है, अच्छा हाँ ले जाओ. 50 रुपये चाय पानी का तो उसके पहले के 50 रुपये गए, दूसरे आने जाने के 50 रुपये गए, वो चाय पानी के 50 रुपये लिए क्या लेके गई घर वो? Do we want to treat our women like this? So I sometimes say that what kind of schemes you are making? Make the schemes where women get the opportunities. Nevertheless, my topic is not that today. I'm not going to talk about the ecosystem, but ecosystem is even same today. I was invited by chartered accountancy firm, all women chartered accountants. It was 3 months ago. I was addressing them, all the girls were so happy and blah. But when they met me, they said, "Man, मैंने ये कपड़े यहाँ लेके आई थी बाथरूम में आके पहना, क्योंकि मेरी सास मुझे अलाउ नहीं है। आज मैं 4 महीने के बाद बाहर निकली हूँ, सीए हूँ, लेकिन बच्चा हुआ तो मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ। Now I would not like you to think like that. बच्चा हुआ तो मेरा बंडल ऑफ जॉय को यहाँ लाके रख दो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? But we feel ashamed about it. We as women feel ashamed about it. That is where the problem is. And I think it just does not come automatically. It's a process. Every woman sitting here, every gentleman sitting here have got their own experiences of life. I would like to share with you my experience, why I'm in this world. I very fondly came here and I said, oh my God, in front of science faculty. I'm here today as a speaker. I've studied in this science faculty. Here I did my master's in chemistry. After that, my boss, my head of the department, Dr. Shetna, did not give me PhD because I had a boyfriend. I'm talking about the ecosystem of our society. अरे हिना भुगतानी को नहीं दो भाई, वो तो शादी वादी करके चली जाएगी, बेकार में सीट बिगाड़ेगी. And when you are a boyfriend, you are a boyfriend, you are in love, you feel, sir नहीं दे दो, नहीं तुम्हें नहीं देंगे. You won't believe it was such a big discrimination at the level of being a woman. गया, जिंदगी में से चला गया. However, I did my PhD lecture. But then it was ठीक है. उसके बाद बहुत स्ट्रगल की, PhD साइंस इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस में गई तो वहाँ मिला and I was not getting admission in the hostel. My father said, it was in 70s. हाँ, my father said, नहीं मैं तुम्हें अकेले नहीं रहने दूँगा. हॉस्टल में नहीं मिला तो PhD करे. I went to Calcutta, West Bengal, Burdwan University, and I did the PhD. Forget it, कहीं तो करना ही है. But then, my conditioning, my mother, my parents, my grandmother, my mother, everybody's, and the environment conditioning and the biggest experience in our Hindi cinema. Love तो होना ही है, और प्यार तो एड कहाँ होता है? आपकी स्टोरी कुछ अलग होगी, लेकिन हमारी स्टोरी तो एंड होता है हमने जिससे प्यार किया उसके साथ जिंदगी बिता. ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू टेल मी तू अगर दिन को रात कहे तो मैं रात You won't be hearing these stories, but I'm sharing with you my story. उसके बाद तो जो दिन में तारे दिखाए थे क्या बताऊं. इन्होंने खाली थोड़ा ही वक्त दिया है मुझे बोलने के लिए. But that is the reality of life. In our condition, in our culture, we always see मेरी बेटी की शादी हो जाए, मेरे बेटे की हाथ पीले हो जाए, यानी हमने जिंदगी खत्म है. And somewhere subconsciously it stays with us. And I'm very happy to complete life with a man. These gentlemen sitting here don't feel bad about it. We feel we are incomplete without men. And men are incomplete without women. It's a beautiful, beautiful togetherness. So we just have to admire that. But उस process में हमारी जिंदगी कैसी होगी वो बताइए. बर्दवान जाने से पहले PhD हो नहीं रहा था. I told my boyfriend then, I said ये हो नहीं रहा था. चल शादी कर लेते. He was a mechanical engineer. मैंने कहा शादी करके क्या करोगी? कहते ठीक है तू फैक्ट्री में आके काम करना. For your information, I've been born and brought up in Jamshedpur in Tatas. Jamshedji Tata is my role model. और मेरे लिए फैक्ट्री यानी I don't know anybody of you know about it or not. It's a huge steel factory. So when my husband told me, when my boyfriend told me, my fiance told me, I said ठीक है चलो शादी कर लेते हैं. क्योंकि it was always say हमारे फिल्म में क्या होता है? खादो पीदो अने राज करो. अंत में हीरो हीरोइन मिल जाते हैं. हमको ऐसा I also did those things. And I got married. I went to Surendranagar, which is a backward district in Gujarat, where industries are to be developed. So government said income tax 5 साल तक नहीं, sales tax 5 साल तक नहीं, सामने से government पैसे देंगी. हमने कहा अरे वाह, हम तो बिल्कुल heaven में आ गए. My husband started a factory in PVC called PVC is polypropylene, polypropylene chloride. वो cellophane paper जैसा होता है. He started the factory and he told me we'll stay there. And when I saw his factory was in Gujarat Industrial Development Estate, 20 by 20 का shed. मैंने कहा ये फैक्ट्री है. उनका ईगो तब उस दिन खराब हो गया. मैंने कहा बात क्या कर रही हो तुम? मैं जमशेदपुर से आई हूँ. ये तुम्हारी फैक्ट्री है? It was not that bad. सीधा कर दिया फिर उनको. But I was disillusioned. I was disillusioned with my life. There was no end more. मैंने कहा भाई शादी कर ली कि जिंदगी तो मजे में बीत जाएगी. ये 6 महीने में तो रोना आ गया मुझे. And Surendranagar was such a small town where to go. He told me कोई बात नहीं तुम मेरे साथ फैक्ट्री आओ. I said fine. What will I do? वो जो मर्जी पड़े. He was making a continuous process of films. ये तो मेरे को ऑटोमेटिक मशीन है, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. He said okay you do one thing, you go and sell. I said okay. तब तो I was good looking also, so people thought, my husband thought ये सेल करने जाएगी तो मेरा बिजनेस बड़ा अच्छा चलेगा. देखिए ये जिंदगी के तमाशे. And I took the challenge. I went there. Our product was sold 144 sheets. 144 sheets. It was called RIM. और वो पैक होता था वैसे 120 रुपये 160 रुपये में हम बेचते थे. That was the time in 80s. Ahmedabad and Mumbai and other places. It was the Manchester of India. We had all our textile mills on there. And we were supplying to textile mills. I started going, कभी reject हो रहा है, कभी select हो रहा है. कोई ज़्यादा दम नहीं हो रहा था. I still remember I went to Reliance Textile Mills. Why I'm sharing with you? Because you're all aware about Reliance. When I went to Reliance Textile Mills, they said, उनके वहाँ एक मार्केटिंग मैनेजर बैठता था, परचेसिंग मैनेजर. उनका नाम था मिस्टर चोबटिया. He went there and I met him. अरे मिस गुप्तानी. और मेरा हस्बैंड से तुम मिस शानी बोलना. I was also named young here. तुम मिस गुप्तानी बोलना. मैंने कहा क्यों? नहीं वो ठीक होता है. My husband was more शातिर than me. मिस गुप्तानी क्या इंडस्ट्रीज में आप टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज में. It's so nice to see a woman here. Coffee पिलाई सब पिलाया. Then he said, ये तुम्हारा मटेरियल है. बोला हाँ ऐसा मटेरियल बनाते हो तुम? I felt like crying. आज तक मेरे साथ किसी ने इस तरह से बात नहीं की। इतना गंदा मटेरियल। Oh my God! जाओ तुम्हारी कंपनी को जाके बोलो कि इतना गंदा मटेरियल रिलायंस में नहीं लेगी। I said okay. I went back and I told my husband, Ashok, इतना गंदा बनाते हो तुम? कोई नहीं खरीद रहा है। You know what did he tell me? मैं कुछ भी बनाऊं, सच्चा मार्केटिंग आदमी वो होता है वो सब कुछ बेच के आता है। That was my first lesson of entrepreneurship. मैंने कहा अच्छा ये होता है। I'll share one more point and then after that I will go to something else. Then I said ठीक है मैंने भी सीख लिया। Again I went there. मैंने अशोक को बोला मैंने कहा तुम लोग ये मेल जब बनाते हो कभी कभी पेपर्स मोटे होते कभी पतले होते तो कहने लगे कि जब बहुत पैसे कोई कम करवा के हम से लेता है ना तो हम पतले बना देते हैं। मैंने कहा फिर भी हम कमाते हैं। I was only knowing about market or not knowing anything about anything. हाँ कमाते हैं अभी तो गाड़ी खरीदेंगे। 12,000 रुपये में एम्बेसडर आती थी उनके। So एक मजा होता है ना उस वक्त ऐसा। I went to another factory and I took the order because when he said उसमें भी कमाते हैं, so that gentleman said that is a factory in Dhangadra, they are making chemicals, fertilizers. And when I went there, and they gave me an order of 3 tons, which was my 1 month's production. I took it. And जब उन्होंने मुझे ऑर्डर भेजा मुझे बताया हम पैसे थोड़े कम करेंगे ऐसे कम उन्होंने भेजा 80 रुपये पर रिंग। 120 से 140 से तू 80 रुपये में ले आई। मैंने कहा तुमने बोला था ना कि हम तो कमाते हैं। I said no, हमारा रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट ही 40 रुपये है। Then I realized, but then फिर I thought कि 10 रुपया तो मिलेगा 20 रुपया तो मिलेगा। But that is the way I learned costing, marketing, managing. And then there was no looking back. At that time in Baroda, IPCL was coming. When was that? Anybody knows here? It was in 85, 86. IPCL Indian Petrochemical, जो अभी तो मुकेश भाई के पास है ना ये तो, कि अपने पास ही है, उनके पास चले। Nevertheless, IPCL was coming and they propagated that Indian market with polyvinyl chloride will be replaced by polypropylene. Again a plastic packaging material. Everywhere I started getting that kind of information, I told my husband, मैंने कहा भाई हमें तो फैक्ट्री बदलनी पड़ेगी because प्रोडक्ट बदल रही है मार्केट में। What do you know what my husband said? सब कहीं खबर पड़े नहीं कुछ पता तो चलता नहीं है। I felt so bad. I said, I'm handling whole your market. And you are asking me कहीं खबर पड़े? I decided तेरे घर के सामने एक फैक्ट्री बनाऊंगी। उस दिन it was ignited in my mind कि मैं फैक्ट्री बनाऊंगी। He would not listen to me and I opened polypropylene factory in front of his factory. GIDC 39 and 38 was his and mine was 42. He knew it. Said partner तो बनो पैसे दो पैसे में से कुछ नहीं मिलेंगे तेरे को करना है तो कर। तो कहाँ आसमान से तारे लाने की बात कहाँ ये सारी। But what I want to tell you, the learning part of life, don't give up yourself. That polypropylene, unfortunately, PVC was replaced by polypropylene, and I made my husband my partner again in the industry. Story बहुत लंबी है, but that is what happens. What I want to share with you, that don't give up yourself. Learn, and let me tell you, our socialization pattern, our education pattern doesn't make us entrepreneurs. Nobody says that हाँ चला, मुझे ये बताइए आप में से किसी कोई कि किसी को ऐसा बोला था कहीं मान दो नहीं लगन ना करे तो कहीं मान दो जाओ शादी नहीं करनी है नहीं करो चलो. Very good. We have some. We have got that freedom. But generally, our society means we don't have that even that freedom also. कि मुझे नहीं शादी करनी, मुझे ये नहीं करना, मुझे ये करना है. So that is where जो करना है. Now when I conduct, we are conducting entrepreneurship programs at many places. At the present, we are working in Thailand, in Indonesia. In Bandung, we are conducting special programs for women entrepreneurs. Of course, men ko humne nahi choda hai. We are doing a lot of men program as well. But women is our focus. For that, Rashtrapati has given us the award, and United Nations has accepted our center as a center for excellence in Asian countries to develop women in the country. This experience of mine, where my mother-in-law was crying always, अरे तू नहीं आती थी तो उसको मैं गरम रोटी खिलाती थी, तू आई उसको तो गरम रोटी कोई नहीं खिलाता है. I felt guilty. I felt like crying. I was sharing more that मुझे लगा हाय मैं तो अच्छी बहू नहीं. We as a woman, army is different because we are accepted certain places, but we are not. We have to prove that we are good bahu, we are good mother, good wife. अगर घर में अब कॉफी नहीं है तो हाँ काम करती है, इसलिए कॉफी कहाँ से होगी, कहीं ठिकाना नहीं होगी. बाजार जाने का टाइम ही नहीं होता होगा, ऐसे ही चला लेते होंगे. I just give you an example. One day I and my husband were taking the bread and coming home. So my neighbor said, "Ashok bhai, ये थेपला ले जाओ." So my husband said, "Why?" It was very insulting. In Surendra, small child, it was very insulting. All the time my mother-in-law would feel she had never accepted me as an entrepreneur. She, poor thing, was always searching for me to become a babu, जो मैं नहीं बन सकती. Maybe दूसरे जन्म में कुछ देखेंगे. But one has to learn what one would like to do. If you do something good, there is nothing wrong. If you are not made garam roti for your husband, there is nothing wrong. If you are not with your child on that particular day, there is nothing wrong. Whenever I would travel, my daughters, वो क्या होता था, PTM होता था, हमेशा. क्या करूँ? That doesn't mean that I have not performed my duty well. I have missed out on certain things. I don't have regrets for missing out. I missed out that event, yes. But if she has grown at that time, I have worked in Spain. If she has grown from this place to this place, I have grown from this place to other place. Let me not give up my life. And I would just like to tell you that. I would like you to listen to just half a sentence of this. I'll not take more than 5 minutes now. And it is not only that they are all poor people, even middle income, they are lost. They are not empowered. BA पढ़े हुए बच्चे, मदर के बच्चे ट्यूशन में जाते हैं, क्यों? Why? Why they are going for tuition? Because they are not empowered. So mind well, empowerment को समझने की हमने ज़्यादा कोशिश करनी है. Today, our economic system, our economic environment, our ecosystem has become very, very positive. And for that matter, I would like to congratulate our society, which has started looking into women's ability. But mind well, don't still remain, it is again an analysis of one of the corporate women's analysis that they suffer from unconscious biases. अरे मैं तो woman हूँ ना, मेरे से नहीं. They don't even give up their self there. ऑफिस में जाके भी कलीग है ना, वो लड़का है उसलिए हो जाएगा उसका. We accept it. That is the biggest problem. Lack of role models. We don't have any role models. As Vanda says, mother, मेरी नानी ने कभी मेरे नाना के लिए शिकायत नहीं की. मेरी मदर ने जाते जाते शिकायत की कि बहुत परेशान करते थे. मैं तो मुंह पे ही बोलती थी. I don't know what will my daughters do. Severe communication barriers. कैसे बोलूं, क्या बोलूं, कैसे करूं? And last but not the least, lack of training. We have never been trained. Now, what is to be trained into? What is entrepreneurship? You are all managers, executives, and entrepreneurship is gender free. मेरी प्रोडक्ट है, ये men ने बनाई है, ये women ने बनाई, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं. The process is different for a woman and a man. But what we exactly need? There was a research carried out, and it was found that those who are successful managers and entrepreneurs, they are very good at setting goals. How many of you have been able to set goals and pursue and achieve it? Raise your hands, please. Nice, very nice. But majority of the time, our parents set the goal. Our society set the goal. शादी के लिए लड़का भी दो. One of the friends at my age, so many friends are there. कहते हिना मैम, एक अच्छी लड़की दिखाओ. कहा अच्छा, तुम्हारे कोई ग्रुप में हो? मैंने कहा अच्छा. थोड़ी देर के बाद फोन आया. वो होशियार नहीं है. बहुत बोलने से नहीं चाहिए. मैं बोलूं बैठ जाए तो बैठ जाए, मैं बोलूं चुप हो जाए तो. आज की तारीख में भी we are talking about it. So I was talking about role setting ability. I was talking about taking initiatives. How many times we take initiatives to do things without being forced by anybody. हाँ सब ठीक हो जाएगा तो कर दूँगी. हाँ आऊँगी, लेकिन बारिश आएगा तो मैं देखती हूँ. Other day I was talking to Amita ji. Amita ji पता नहीं बारिश आएगा सब आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे. So we always have, अगर ऐसा हो जाएगा तो मैं करूँगी. Initiative taking is most of the time lacking in women. Problem solving, women are most of the time being solved by father बोलेंगे फिक्र नहीं कि मैं हूँ ना, मैं हूँ ना. शादी के बाद पति बोलेंगे बोलो मैं हूँ ना. बच्चे बोलेंगे मम्मी अब छोड़ो, कुछ नहीं करना है, रिटायर हो जाओ, मैं हूँ ना. Am I right? So what happens? I don't solve the problem. I'm very happy. But therefore, women find it very difficult to take initiative, communicate, and feel confident. So learn to solve the problems, and don't be the problem avoider, and don't be the problem creator as well. ये हमारा थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. I'm talking about the behavioral part of it, and last but not the least, communication. Communication is very, very weak. When आज तो आप चार हो ना, जोरदार बोल रहे हैं सब, लेकिन बहुत सारे और चार में मैं क्या बोलूँ? क्यों बोले? मुझे शेयर का भी पता नहीं, मुझे मार्केट का भी पता नहीं, मुझे ये भी पता नहीं, मुझे वो भी पता नहीं. So we are not aware about it. We are lacking knowledge also. We lack in everything. And therefore, when we are with men, we feel they are superior to us. I would just like to tell you, don't feel like that. Become capable to feel complete, not compete. Feel complete. अगर नहीं मालूम है तो नहीं मालूम है. But feel very complete about it. Here I would just like to share with you one example. एक बच्चा होता है. My brother's wedding was there. बच्चा तो उसको एक फ्रॉक पहना थे बच्चे. और मैंने पहना यहाँ लग रहा है, वहाँ लग रहा है, वहाँ लग रहा है, ऐसा नहीं करना है, ऐसा नहीं करना है. उन्होंने पहना है. भैया की शादी में जाना है ना. कैसा लगेगा अगर मेरी बेटी अच्छा फ्रॉक नहीं पहनेगी तो? पहन लिया बच्चे, 3 साल की बच्ची. शादी में गए, सबने बोला अरे पिंकी तूने तो बहुत अच्छा फ्रॉक पहना है. किसने दिया? मामा ने दिया, पापा ने दिया. पापा ने दिया. Child started falling in love with that dress. घर आए, सबने मजे किए. दूसरे दिन जब खेलने जा रही थी तो पिंकी को वही फ्रॉक पहनना था. मम्मी ने क्या बोला? क्या बोला? आज नहीं, खेलने में ये फ्रॉक नहीं पहनते हैं. 3 साल के बच्चे को खेलना, नहीं खेलना, शादी, पार्टी में क्या फर्क लगता है? बोला नहीं पहन. बच्चे ने बोला ठीक है नहीं पहनेगा. मम्मी ने जो पहनाया पहना दिया. दूसरे दिन बच्चे ने बोला मम्मी क्या पहनूं? क्या हुआ? What happened? Has anything happened? क्या हुआ? Child had made the fundamental childhood decision that whatever I am doing is not correct. You don't know, it has got a tremendous impact. Go back to your fundamental decisions and you will realize how our societal cultural conditioning is making us not so capable for economic entrepreneurial empowerment. They are empowered very well, but economic empowerment comes with that. So this is what is about empowerment. Goal setting, taking initiative, solving problem, communication, make decision. You will be, wherever you want to go, you will be able to reach there. Check with yourself, are these capabilities strengthening you or weaknesses? And entrepreneurs are those who continuously create. And that is the greatest enjoyment for them. So thank you very much.
Will not be taking any questions.
I spoke too much, isn't it?
Thank you, ma'am, for your insightful journey into empowerment. You have reminded us that even as we lead, break norms and rights, we are still women, and that is our strength. We would now request Bhavik sir to the immediate past president GEO to present a token of appreciation to Dr. Shah.